In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a prefix to data in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple technique that helps you label or categorize information, like adding INV before invoice numbers, or SKU before product codes. Will work entirely in the desktop version of Google Sheets, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up and apply it across multiple rows. First, open your Google Sheet on your desktop in your preferred browser. Make sure you can see the column that contains the original data you want to prefix. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This can be in the same row as your original data, typically in a new column so you don't overwrite anything you still need. Now, type a formula that combines your prefix with the original cell. The key is to put your prefix text inside quotation marks and use the ampersand symbol to join it with the cell reference. For example, if your original value is in A2 and you want the prefix INV, you would type INV and A2. If you want a space after a label, include it inside the quotes, like SKU and A2. The quotation marks tell Sheets that it's text, and the ampersand glues the parts together. If your data is in a different column, just change the cell reference to match, such as B2 or C2. Press Enter to confirm the formula. You should immediately see the prefix added in the result cell. The original data stays untouched in its original cell, and the new cell displays the combined text. If you see an error or something doesn't look right, double-check that your prefix is inside quotes and that you use the ampersand between the prefix and the cell reference. To apply the same formula to multiple rows, use the fill handle. Click the cell with your formula, then grab the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the selection and drag it down through the rows you want to fill. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the row numbers in the formula as it fills. If your dataset is long, you can also double-click that small square to autofill down the column as long as there's data next to it. And that's all there is to it. You opened your sheet, selected your result cell, wrote the prefix formula using quotes and the ampersand, pressed Enter, and dragged it down to cover the rest of your rows. That's how you add a prefix to data in Google Sheets on desktop.